This is Channels Television's breaking news.
Breaking news from Atakana TV, vlogger Acheh from Sweden. Achehnese diaspora in Scandinavia are planning to demonstrate in the capital city of Finland, Helsinki, on the 15th of August 2022. This is due in conjunction with the 17th anniversary of MoU Helsinki. They are planning to demonstrate at several sites in the capital city. These actions are arranged by the Acheh-Sumatra National Liberation Front, ASNLF. This is for the first and also last action. Therefore, they invite you to be there. See you in Helsinki.